welcome back to my channel. If this hair, this beautiful sexy hair is from Nadula Hair. Got the hair, well, the order was placed on Tuesday and I got the hair on Friday. Amazing. 3 days. What? That's so fast. And the hair is so beautiful. I'm gonna enter a clip on how I received the hair. You know I'm a fiend and I opened it so fast because I'm so happy that I got the hair. So I entered a clip. The hair was beautiful. It was long. It came with straps. It's already in my hair. When you watch this video, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. It came with also a wig cap. It's not my color. The hair came in a net also. Sorry I'm not showing so much mess. With this, it says Nadula. If you're not ready, follow us on social media. Keep up to date on news and exclusive offers. Just letting you guys know, Nadula is going to be having a Black Friday sale. Everything will be listed down in the description box. Scan it, follow them on YouTube, Instagram, all that nice stuff.
It has my little shipping order, whatever. It says my name, Ashley Chevalier, my address, the seller's name is Nadulahair, and then it just says thanks for my order, and that's it.
So I'm not going to do too much talking. Let's get into this video.
Nadula sent me this beautiful. Look at that.
As you can see, I'm about to be in the process and installing the wig and everything. I bleached the knots. I plucked it a little bit. Even though that the wig did come pre-plucked, all I had to do was pluck the middle part. And then all this is still them. Like, they did all this, which is perfect. All I had to do was bleach the knots. It's a 360 frontal. Like, what? I am definitely a beginner. I do not know how to do this. I'm just so used to 5x5 closures. So to get a 360, mind you, it's all around your head. So to get all of that.
This is what the hair looks like after I plucked it and did damage to it. This is what it looks like. I know the middle part is like all messy and it's not really straight, but remember, I'm a beginner, so I feel like it looks fine to me. And I did over bleach the hair. I over bleached it, but all I had to do was, it's all over. Like, look, this is beautiful. This is the back of the hair, right?
All over. You could part it any single way. And I'm gonna do a video on how I part the hair. Look at that. All over. This is beautiful. Do you guys see that? It's all like, look how long the parting is. That's beautiful. Like, look how long it is. It's 13x6 and it's 150% density. Do you guys see how beautiful the hair is? Like, look at this. It's so full. It's beautiful. Like, this is so cute.
So guys, as you can see that I did all that little process, I glued down my cap, and it's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be perfect. But this is what the wig looks like when I take it off the thing. As you can see, it still looks cute and perfect. This is what the inside looks like. As you can see, the middle part and
clips inside. I don't think I'm gonna be using the clip. Now, another thing that I would love to mention is that when I got the box, the package and everything, the hair also came with clips, which is so great because I love that it could be adjustable. So I could have this wig forever because I'm gonna have adjustable straps.
ooh, this is cute. I'm so used to red hair now, and then it's just like to have black hair is so weird. I think this is the middle part. This is the most, it could go in the middle, but install the adjustable strap.
Guys, do you keep the details though? Like, this is nice. For me being a beginner, I don't know if it's in the middle.
It looks like it's in the middle. Now, this is about to be the most hardest part because as you can see, it's covering my ears, and it's not supposed to cover my ears. Like, I'm gonna put my AirPods in. You know what I mean? So I gotta make sure that I cut this properly. So get the scissors. I'm scared. I really hope I don't mess it up. But the more I think about it, the more I'm like, just get over it, right? So ooh, I think this is fine. Ooh, I did a good job. I took it off. Ladies, don't be afraid about the extra lacy there. So it's covering and everything. Just remember, I'm gonna be gluing this down. I'm gonna have my baby hairs out. I could do this. Ooh, Nadula Hair, thank you, because look at this. This is so cute. Okay. And let's do the next. So you guys can see that I cut this side. I know I cut this a little bit too low, but I've seen other YouTubers cut it way too high, but I did the best I can. And remember, I'm gonna glue it down, so it's gonna be all the way down here. So let's do the other side. Did I start the other side? I think I started. Okay. This side is kind of tricky. Can you believe I'm doing all of this on camera for you guys? I can't even see. Like, I could see, but I can't see. And you can't do this on a mannequin because if you do it on a mannequin, it's gonna you're gonna mess up the lining. Oh no, did I cut the hair? Like I was saying, you can't do this on the mannequin because if you do this on the mannequin, you're gonna be cutting the hair itself. And you don't want that. So I cut some of the hair. Is this still like him? Now that we took out all the ears, we're fine. So now we're just gonna start to gluing again because remember, this still has to stay laid.
though, guys, I had to go in the bathroom and cut off the rest of the lace because I couldn't see when I'm on the camera. But as you can see, I did my best. And I know you still see that lace, but it has to be there if I want edges. Wait, my nose is itching.
Still get your foundation brush, anything that you use for your foundation, and just put it on the lace. Because when you put it on the lace, it looks like it's coming out of your scalp, as you can see. See? It was not noticeable. Meltdown or what? Now, the more foundation you put, the more visible it's going to be. And then, guys, it's glued down. You do not need Ghost Bond to glue down your hair. But you see, I think I did a good job. Now it's time to do the baby. So you guys saw me do everything from bleaching the knots, putting the customization of the middle part, every single thing. I put curls, little curls. I'm gonna brush the edges. I wish I got 22 because it would have been a little bit longer. But like if I was to flat iron it, this is how long it would have been, which is pretty good because this is a 20-inch. And I'm pretty tall, so this is kind of new for me.
Mousse, because as you can see, this side is kind of lifting a little bit. So you like to, because I don't have a hot comb, so this is going to do me justice. If you don't have a hot comb, just take mad mousse, put it behind the hair, every place that you want it, and then make sure it's, try to flatten it down when you're putting the mousse. Ooh, and then try to take a hard brush, because as you can see, it's so hard, and try to brush it down a little bit, right? Brush it down. Brush it down.
Look at this! It looks so cute! For me being my first time doing a 360 wig, I didn't glue this down because it doesn't matter. Look at that. This don't matter. All you gotta do is try to hide it. Look at that, guys. What? I did a good job. Guys, look at this. Look at that. So guys, that's the final review of Nadulahair. I love it so much. First time installing a 360 wig. I didn't really use the back because I don't need it, but the hair covers it. And as long as the front looks cute, you look cute. I did a great job. I feel like I did a great job as a first timer. I've been watching so much videos because I was preparing myself to do this video. My real hair, and I like that, even though it's not. The length is really nice for a 20-inch. It's really nice. Like, look how long it is. For a 20-inch, it really does look nice. Really do recommend this. I am not lying. I love this hair. Like, look at this. This is so cute.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching me do this video. I really hope it helped you. If you're a first timer, this was my first time doing this hair by myself, so I am excited. Thank you so much.
Best and we stay improving, far from broke, so we ain't never losing. And it's we the best and we stay improving, far from broke, so we ain't never losing.